Hello, and welcome to our VUE software tutorial on creating detection filters. I'm Nancy Edwards. As well as allowing you to view detection data by receiver, transmitter, station, or log file, VUE provides the capability to view your data by detection filter. You can create detection filters to look at subsets of your data that meet many different kinds of criteria, such as date, time, transmitter ID, transmitter frequency, station, number of detections, and numerous transmitter-receiver combinations. Detection filters provide an easy way to view, plot, and export subsets of your data. VUE provides 13 different options for filtration criteria that you can use to build detection filters. Please consult your VUE software manual for more information. Filters can be set up to match any. For example, the results must match any of A or B or C, etc. of criteria, or match all. For example, the results must match all of A and B and C, etc. of criteria. That is defined in the Add Detection Filter dialog box. Here is an example using the filtration criteria of detection date time and transmitters. Right-click on Detection Filters in the left bar selection tree. Select Add, or you can select Search from the top main menu and then Add Filter. When the Add Detection Filter dialog box appears, enter the filter name in the new filter box. Select the qualifier Match All. Select Detection Date Time. Choose the qualifier Is After. Then enter the date and time. Select the plus sign to add the next criterion. Select Transmitter. Then select the qualifier Is. Then select a specific transmitter from the drop-down list. Select OK. Select the new detection date time and transmitter filter. Note that it has found 479 detections, all of which are for transmitter A69-1206-2003 that occurred after April 29, 2009 at 11 a.m. The receiver-transmitter detection count filter displays all detections from any receiver-transmitter pair for which the database contains or does not contain a given number of detections. You can also search for receiver-transmitter pairs with detection counts above or below a certain value. Here is an example where the receiver-transmitter detection count is less than 50. Right-click on Detection Filters in the left bar selection tree. Select Add. When the Add Detection Filter dialog box appears, enter the filter name in the new filter box. Select the qualifier Match All. Select Receiver-Transmitter Detection Count. Then select the qualifier Is Less Than. Then fill in the number 50. Select OK. Select the new receiver-transmitter detection count filter. Note that it has yielded 523 detections, which represent all receiver-transmitter counts that are less than 50. Pre-filters provide a way to string together a series of filters that you have already created for your database. It is the only way to combine filters that use the Match Any and Match All options. Our final detection filters example uses a pre-filter to display detections for two codes between two dates. First, create a filter that matches any detections for two individual transmitters. Right-click on Detection Filters in the left bar selection tree. Select Add. When the Add Detection Filter dialog box appears, enter the filter name in the new filter box. Select Match Any. Select Transmitter. Then choose the qualifier is. Then select your first transmitter. Select the plus sign to add the next criterion. Select transmitter. Then choose the qualifier is. Then select your second transmitter. Select OK. Select the transmitter's detection filter. Note that it has yielded 50 detections that match either transmitter A69-1105-18 or transmitter A69-1105-105. We will continue with this example by creating another detection filter using the transmitter's detection filter we just created as a pre-filter and then adding detection date-time criteria. Right-click on detection filters in the left bar selection tree. Select Add. When the Add Detection Filter dialog box appears, enter the filter name in the new filter box. Select Match All. Select Pre-Filter. Then choose the qualifier Passes. Select the transmitter's filter that was just created to use as a pre-filter. Select the plus sign to add the next criterion. Select Detection Date Time. Then choose the qualifier Is After. Select a specific date and time. Select the plus sign to add the final criterion. Select Detection Date Time. Then choose the qualifier Is Before. Then enter the date and time. Select OK. Select the new detection filter combining the transmitter's pre-filter and detection date time. Note that it has yielded 6 detections that match all of the transmitter's pre-filter of either transmitter A69-1105-18 or transmitter A69-1105-105 that were detected after June 18, 2008 and before June 20, 2008.